Hi, welcome to ElimuHub. In this tutorial we're going to do a problem solving question on perpendicular lines. Okay, question says find the equation of the line L. So L is this line here. Looking at the diagram, we've got another line, this one here, y equals to 3x plus 5, and we can see they are crossing each other at 90 degrees, which means these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so let's just write that down. L1 given y equals 3x plus 5, and L2 we don't know. What do we know about perpendicular lines? Well, their gradients are negative reciprocal of one another. From L1, M1 equals 3, which means M2 is going to be negative 1 over 3. So L2 is going to be something like this: y equals negative 1 over 3 x plus c. Okay, now we can't just leave this like that. We need to find what c is, which is the y-intercept. Well, we can see this L2 is crossing y-axis at this point. What does this mean? Well, I've got L1, which is also crossing the y-axis at that point. So this means c is 5 for both lines. Okay, so c is equal to 5. This means y for L2, y is equal to minus 1 over 3x plus 5. Okay, now for b, we need to find the area of a triangle ABC. Well, to find the area, we need to find the height, which we know height is 5, and we need to know the base all the way from there. But in order to find the base, we need to find these points. The value of x is here. So if I just say that's x1, and on the x-axis we know y is equal to 0, so that's 0, and let's call this one x2, and y is 0 there. Okay, we can use L1 to find what the value of x is at that particular point. So x1, if we say y equals 3x plus 5, so when y equals to 0, because 0 equals 3x plus 5, this means 3x equals negative 5, x equals negative 5 over 3. So that's x1. Let's find x2. Well, we know that point L2 crosses the x-axis, so that means we can use L2 to find x2. Okay, so for L2, when y equals to 0, 0 equals to negative 1 over 3x plus 5, so x over 3 equals to 5, x equals 15. So that's our x2. So we know from there to there, if this point is negative 5 over 3, that means that distance here is 5 over 3, and this distance from there to there is 15. We need to find the whole of b. So b is going to be 5 over 3 plus 15, which is going to be equal to 5 plus 45 over 3, which is 50 over 3. So now I have my b and I have my height. Now area is equal to base times height, everything divided by 2. So my base is 5 times height, which is 50 over 3, everything divided by 2. Right then, so 5 times 50 is 250 over 3. That divided by 2. Okay, so 250 divided by 2 is 250 over 6. If you work that out, let's just do that. How many 6's are in 25? 4. And how many 6's are in 10? 1. So it's 41 point. How many 6's are in 40? Where's this 6? So I'll just roughly write it as 41.6 square units. Okay, thank you.